Nagkataon lang siya guys. May gusto lang akong i-record. So, yeah. Ito ako nagtatambay guys. And yeah. So, diyan ko nakita yung ibong puti. Na I was once see it or isa lang siya. Buti naka-record siya. At then suddenly maraming pala sila. And then bababa pa pala sila sa taas na kung saan nakita ko. And which is natuwa ko, gusto ko. So dito ko siya nakita right there. So yeah. Oh my god, like so yeah. Yeah. Ganyan lang siya. So I don't know, pati ako pati anyway. Yeah. Nagkataon lang yata to. Nagkataon lang siguro to, anak. Nagkataon lang siguro to. But, yeah. So, yeah. Diyan yung nakita ko yung ibong guys. Very well. I stand to look. Yeah. And then, yeah. Bababa pala tong puti na to. I think first time ko tong nakitang puting ibon na to. Nagka-interest talaga ako dyan. Na isa lang siya. And yeah, isa lang. Bababa pa sila, hindi ko alam kung mas lalapit pa sila. Cause yeah. Akala ko sa taas lang, but yeah, I could yeah, in fairness. Mga ibon. Natutuwa talaga ako sa ibon. Never interest, never like, never akong I mean, me, I see, but never ako nagka-interest, never akong natuwa, nagkagusto. Are we gonna, so, yeah, what you see is what you get, yeah, bababa pa sila tong ano, so doon ko sila nakita sa taas, dadaan sila sa ulo ko. Lagi yan lang siya. We're just buti ka pa alam mo. Yung puting ibon siya guys. Buti ka alam mo, no? Dun yan lang siya. That, I got this interest. Like, and, I'm happy. And, yeah. So, first time ko ngayon ko lang ito nakita itong puting ibon na bumaba sila. Oh my God. Bumaba na mas malapit na I could see on that far. Like, yeah. Yeah. Wala, bakit ganun? Like, is it like, yeah. Ganyan lang siya. O, diba? Sa akin yan. Yung sa inyo hindi ko alam. And so, gusto ko lang siyang i-record. And you know more than am I. So, yeah. So, ito lang. Yeah. What you see is what you get. And yeah, it's how I decide. It's what I want. Right? And I hope it's result good. That's it. Think it, think it. Think it. Mas napapansin ko yung maraming puting ibon. Alam ko yan. I see you. In fierce, mga malalaking ibon siya. Malaki siya. Yung tok mo yun siya guys, dalawa. Malaki siyang puti. Ganyan lang. So if there's more and deeper, and yeah, you got it. So I let you, you know. And then mas more on naririnig ko na to. Yeah. We'll see. I don't know if there's, people right there, but I've never really seen this, never interest, never like, really, natuwa talaga ako yung gusto ko. Yeah, really, this is for real.